Hi everyone, my name is Evan. I will talk about that project I made yesterday, and its purpose to charge phone or lithium-ion battery, and it supply total between 4 or 5 volt power. Let me show you how it works. And of course, as you see, there's two parts. Which first part that works by AC electric. We can use any device which will supply AC electric. For example, we can use any piezoelectric to charge our phone or our battery, or we can use the simple transformer, for example, to charge our device. And the second part, as we see, that part will supply DC power. By the DC power, we can charge our device. Let me talk about first that DC power. When we supply DC power, for example, it could be minimum 5 volt. Why? Because we use here 7805 voltage regulator, and it will give us pure 5 volt to power our TP4056 charge device. And also simultaneously, let's say it's the same when we give like the AC power. It will come to the diode, and after the diode, of course, the capacitor, which I used here 50 volt and 1000, let me say almost 1000 microfarad capacitor. Why? Because I had that one. Then let me explain on the schematic. As we see, that's a simple step down transformer, also just a bridge diode. That's a simple to turn AC to the DC, and after get the DC from the half wave DC from the diode. As you know, and as you see, we will use the capacitor. Then after capacitor, I used the ceramic condensator here, and again one capacitor here to power our regulator A7805. And now you see we will get the pure 5 voltage, which we can use to power our TP4056. And let's check that. I will show you how it works now. Okay, I connected my device with transformer. Just be careful, I didn't connect yet. Just it will turn 230 or 220 volt AC to the 35 volt AC approximately. We will check. Okay, as you see here, like the light already turned on, and it shows it works. Then let's check the AC first. Okay, 32, let's say 32 voltage. That's enough, and we can just measure what's the output voltage. I will just .15, let's say. That's a normal TP 4056. And as I told you before, like that side works with the AC power, but also I have to warn you, like you have to be careful about the capacitor, because the right now capacitor is full, therefore we will discharge capacitor with the resistor. Okay, let me discharge and check with the DC power. Okay. As I told you before that I connected with the DC power, like let's check 20. Let's check what's the input voltage. Just a minute. $30.50. Let's say 14. 1350, 14. Okay, 14 voltage, DC voltage we have as an input voltage. Let's check the out. Let's just see. My Fox. As you see, the TP4056 give the 1 ampere, and as we see, the voltage between 3.7 and 4.20 voltage. Okay, thank you for watching that video. I tried to explain all what I did. That is also, I have to inform that as I said before, solar panel we can use as a DC voltage solar panel, and that's a diode also to protect the panel to the reverse voltage, against reverse voltage, of course.